What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be taking a look at how we can take full control of a registry key and also change the permissions of that registry key. Now sometimes malware, really nasty malware like zero access and other types of malware like it, will actually change the permissions of that registry key so you can't delete it or edit it or anything like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you a free program you can actually use, which is pretty awesome, and what it does is it allows you to quickly and easily change the permissions of that registry key. So what I'm going to do is show you what I mean by opening up Registry Editor with a normal permission that is actually denied when you try to change it. So I'm going to go to regedit and open up the Registry Editor. Now if we go to the HKey local machine here and then go to say software, and let's come down to where it says Microsoft and then say Windows Defender. Let's have a look there, and if we try to make some changes say to the signature updates here, and I want to right click on this blank space and create a key, you'll get the cannot create a key. You do not have the permissions to do so. Okay, now also if you try to create a binary value, then you also get cannot create this value, error writing to the registry. You'll get these different types of error messages that pop up. Okay, now if you want to have permissions to make changes to this, then you can do so, right? And I'll show you how to do that. Now normally what you can do is if you want to make changes to this, you right click on the signature updates and then go permissions, and then you can go through the scenario of going advanced and so on, owner, and then the account that you want to change, replace these permissions and so on. It's all a bit long-winded, and I want to show you a piece of software that you can actually use which I think is very useful for technicians. So it's called RegOwnershipEx. That's what we're going to look at. So I'm going to fire this up. Now the beauty of this is basically you fire this up here and you've got the take ownership and open in Registry Editor and also restore ownership, and this is the actual website where you can download it. Okay, and there's a donate button here if you find the program useful, which I'm pretty sure you will do as a technician. You can also add them to the favorites, and you can also change your settings here for your language, and there's quite a few different languages here that you can choose from. Okay, now you can set it to jump to the registry key or also take ownership, and you can check for updates there. So let's have a look at what we was on about here. So I'm going to browse here and it will open up a mini registry editor pane here. You can actually go to the same location. So let's go down to where it says Windows Defender or something like that, what you wanted to change, and we'll go to signature updates and select that. Now you can see we have got the path selected. Okay, now we can do straight away take ownership on this, or we can open it up in our registry editor. So we can open up and it will take me straight there, which is very nice, and we can also take ownership of it, which is what we want to do. So if I click take ownership of this now, you can see now the little padlock is now open. Okay, so if we go back and open it up in our registry editor, now we should be able to create a key, which we can, as you can see. We can delete that, and we can also create a binary value if we wish now, which we couldn't do before. Pretty useful and easy to do with this method rather than going through all the other permissions process. Now if you want to actually restore the ownership, you can actually do this, put the tick in here and restore the ownership, and it will put it back and it will lock that again. I think it's an awesome little app. It really is. It comes in really useful as a tech, and I love it a lot. There's also a favorites area, which means you can add two favorites. So we can add this into our favorites, as you can see here, and this will now means we can have access to this location. If we use it quite a lot, we can actually go back and add this to our favorites and just log on to our favorites area and open that area up. Pretty awesome. Now there was another program I wanted to show you, which is another program from the Windows Club, and it does a similar sort of thing really, but it hasn't got no browse feature. You have to type in the whole path here, but this is another one called RegOwnershipEx. This is a version 1.0, and it does basically the same sort of thing really, but the other one I prefer a lot more than this one because this is all manual. So that's basically how you can change the permissions and take full control of your registry keys with a free program called RegOwnershipEx. It's a free download, and I will put the link in the description. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope this helps you out, and I hope it answers all your questions. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, hit the like button, guys. It really does help me out. And also, if you want to keep up to date when I upload new videos, then hit the subscribe button and you will be notified when I upload a new video. So thanks again. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks again. Bye for now.